Hello, Mr. Collier here. This is Lab 7C, which is all about efficiency. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the equipment to take your data. So the first thing you need is a flat track, a single photo gate, and we're going to put it at the bold dot just on the far side of the middle, and we're launching from the opposite side. We're going to put rubber bands on either end, and we're going to use the CPO timer, and we're going to have that with the memory function turned on. Just a reminder, when you use the memory function, the before time or the older time is on the right and the after or more recent time is on the left of the screen. In this lab, we're looking at the efficiency of the system as a whole. So the car goes down the track through the photo gate, bounces off the rubber band, and comes back. There's a lot of things going on here, and we want to look at how the energy of the car changes at different points on the ramp. Specifically, how the energy compares the first time it goes through the photo gate to the second time it goes through the photo gate. If this system perfectly conserves energy, we can expect the energy of the car both times to be identical. But in actuality, some of that energy is going to be lost, and we're looking at the efficiency of the system. There's going to be two sets of data for this lab. In the first, we're going to be manipulating the mass of the car and seeing how that affects efficiency. So for that, you're going to have the thumb screw 2 centimeters out. You can measure it with a ruler. And then you're going to launch the car with 0, 1, 2, or 3 marbles. For each launch, you're recording the before time and the after time through the photo gate. Because you're changing the mass of the car, you'll also need to mass the car on a balance with 0, 1, 2, and 3 marbles. In the second set of trials, you'll be keeping the mass constant, but changing the launching speed of the car by changing how far the thumb screw is screwed out. You'll start at 0, so all the way out, and then you'll screw it in 1, 2, 3, and 4 centimeters as you launch. In part 2, we're going to show you some actual data, and in part 3, I'll show you how to do the calculations to figure out how the car going through the photo gate relates to its speed, which then relates to its kinetic energy before and after the bounce.